Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually reset your Newmax decoder to actually get fresh settings on your decoder. So if the channels are messed up or you are facing some difficulty on your channel and you would like to solve the problem by resetting the decoder to factory default to get new settings on it, all you got to do is to pick up your Newmax decoder remote and you press on the menu button on the remote, and from the menu page use the arrow key just to navigate through the menu option, and then you put it on settings. You press OK on the settings, and from this page you look through the options, and then you come down here, you put it on factory reset and you press OK on it. So with a factory reset we have other options over here: restore or restore system settings. So you can actually reset only the system settings, and you can also restore program as well. So come to the restore, or which will actually reset your decoder to the factory default and everything will be fresh. All the channels will be gone, so be aware of it. Without knowing how you can scan back to get your channels, you shouldn't perform this. But in this continuation of the video, I will be showing you how you can scan back the FTA satellite channels if you reset your Newmax decoder. So all you got to do is to press OK on the reset, and here it's gonna ask you for the default password of your decoder, and you have to type in the 40, which is 000. That's the default code of an FTA decoder. If it doesn't open up, you need to contact someone who have ever used the decoder. If the person changed the default password, the 40 will never work. So you type in the 40 for it to open up, and here everything is gone. So that's the fresh settings on your decoder, and you have to proceed to do the necessary settings on the decoder to get back your channel. So here what you have to do on this page, you need to ignore, you have the language option. If you prefer French or Arabic, you put it on it and then you proceed. But we're gonna go in with English, so you select the English. With the country options over here, it doesn't matter, any country option that you select, you will have the same settings or the same interface on the decoder. So you press on the exit button for you to get access to the menu to do the next settings on the decoder. So you press on the menu button on your remote and you come to the menu here, use the arrow keys just to navigate through the menu. You put it on installation, you press OK on it, and you confirm with the default password, which is the 40. You have the satellite option and the DVB-T2, which is the terrestrial or the antenna option. So you put it on the satellite if you are to scan back to get the FTA satellite channels. So you come to the antenna settings, you have the satellite list, transponder list. You put it on the antenna settings, you need to select your satellite, which you're gonna use it to actually track or scan for the channels that you are missing after resetting the decoder to factory default. So you need to select the satellite or a satellite folder whereby you're gonna add the TP, which you are having a stable signal from the satellite dish. So if it's multi-TV, currently I'm having a multi-TV signal on it, so I'm going to use the multi-TV as an example. If you use any other signal, all you have to do is to select a satellite and then you add the TP. So here you have the transponder here, and normally the TP that you're gonna add, you are not likely to find it over here, so all I have to do is to add. And when it comes to the adding, you need to go back to the transponder list. That's where you're gonna get access to add the TP of that FTA signal that you are having, a stable signal from the satellite dish. So on this transponder list page, we have the satellites being a different satellite, so you need to change the satellite to the satellites where you're gonna add the TP to scan. And for you to change, you have the command below, that's pressing on the start button for the satellite option to actually pop up. So you press on the SAT and then you change the satellite to the satellite that you selected, which is the hotbed. Alright. Okay, so hotbed right here. And then here you have to add a transponder after selecting the right satellites, which you're going to use it to scan back to get your channels. And with the adding, press on the add button on the remote, and then you come here to the frequency, press on the add button. We have the frequency, which is 12525. If it's my TV2, you add the 10804, but this is the multi-TV signal that I'm just having. So 12525 12525. Then you come to the symbol rate, which is 30,3000. Polarization, you put it on vertical, you press OK, you highlight it like this, and then now you go back to the antenna settings page. On this page, whenever you proceed to scan, you will not get access to the blind scan option, which will enable you to get more of the channels available in and around the multi-TV platform. So they have logged the scan type on only the manual scan, so you need to ignore the scanning. On this page, you go back to the antenna settings page after adding the transponder, and you need to change the satellite to the satellite that you just add the TP in it, which you are having a stable signal from the satellite dish, which is the hotbed right here. And then you come to the transponder option, you press OK on it, and then you select the TP that you just add, which is the multi-TV over here. And as you can see, the signal quality has shown, indicating that there is a signal from the satellite dish. So the next thing that you have to do is to proceed to scan. You press on the blue button on your remote for the scan menu to appear here, and then you change the scan type to the blind, and then you leave other settings. You have the channel type, you can leave it on the FTA to actually eliminate all the channels that will have a dollar sign on it, which you will not get access to watch. So you can leave it on all as well, and then you proceed to search for the channels. So that's it. You have to wait for it to complete scanning for you to get access to the channels after resetting your decoder. That's it for this video. If you find this video helpful and when you here, you got to do subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for